Dr. Chibaya Yusufu arumukuru w'ebyamatungo ha district ya Kasese yashoborra ngu enyamaishwa ziteganisibwe mnongo mu district ejo n'embuzi hamwe na n'entama.
We have been encountered by a disease called PPR, commonly known as goat plague, which is showing the following signs. One, it shows flu, and then also wounds on the mouth, and on the same time it diurate, and after diureting, of course, there is high temperatures. There is mass death of the animals, especially the sheep and the goats.
Dr. Chibaya yagaruka yashoborra ngo embuzi ziri kwingana rushanju 14 zafire wateireho entama 21 kandi benena n'emishango 834 omu ofisi ey'izindi nyamishwa ezirwaire.
Death has run up to 719 goats have died so far, and those are the one which we are getting from the records of extension worker. And it's not only goats, and we have registered about 21 sheep out of 719. 21 sheep died.
Oguya ihanangiriza abantu babutosha ngo batashigeza okurya emitumbi eyenyamaishwa ezifire abo kubeki n'ekyakabi ahamagara g'abantu.
Since we have lost this number of animals, we don't encourage people to eat the dead animal that have died due to PPR.
Kure Joshua ariyo muturaje wa Kinyabakazi omurimuho cha Town Council mu district eje ya Kasese omwe habaferirwe enyamaishwa ze nashoborra ngo aferirwe embuzi 35 okurwo kwezi kwa 5 okomwaka ogo.
Muna sungire obulwere imwabengerere syambene syai nena bikomusyambene makumyani nero embene nguma mutwaula yo mwalutu mtoto biroma lutu yamasa ilwere nero embene yo tomalusyo masende
nagaruka shoborra ngu district eje teine ombazi ogwoburamazi oguteirweho ogurukubasa kozesebwa omukujanjaba enyamaishwezi atyo ashaba government okubitahamo
nero muntu atuka inquiringa mu bati nani omubatsi obulwere obo sale kwa district kombere tumera wa Kampala kene resurute possibility ere tumera wa Kampala ibikalire tumera wa Kampala kusyasende nero yamasika hola semahola esa no ngababura tomosyale na syambene itanosesa umafama ya tomano.
Masereka Peter arukoranka extension worker ahabwa NMC vet supplies omuri Kasese nashoborra kuwe embazi erukusirika oburweirobo eyakozesibwe nayo ekaba yahoireho kare yabarwongerera amaganya yabeyo kwongera hakufa kwenyamaishwa nyamwingi omu district.
Obwire nshanka burire bukija benshi tebara vaccinate vaccines zizaba expired umustoka twashanga tine vaccine yo no kusecuringa villages estakayikiremo burwire.
Amagombora gateganisibwe mnonga mu district ya Kasese noho hari eyamaliba Nyamwamba Kinyabakazi Isango Kiswamba hamwe na Central Division. Gasha kwa Godwin Alineitwe ahabwa tayarwe.